Good afternoon, everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Intuit's new Enterprise Suite software offering and how it relates to the QuickBooks Enterprise Desktop software. As you might have recently seen, if you are a QuickBooks Enterprise user, Intuit is now pushing a button to upgrade to Intuit Enterprise Suite into the software. Now, wanted to give here a couple quick thoughts about that and a couple reasons why it might not be a good idea to switch over to that software just yet. Intuit Enterprise Suite is an online tool that Intuit is now releasing. It is part of the QuickBooks family. In a quick little nutshell, this is a blurb straight from Intuit's website. Intuit Enterprise Suite is a configurable AI powered business platform that brings together all of your financial, payroll, HR, marketing, and cash flow tools into one place and offers a new way to partner with Intuit through dedicated success managers. So, in quick terms, what that means is that software will provide you with multi entity, multi dimensional reporting, some powerful new automations, some new third party apps, team management options. Now, Intuit Enterprise Suite has a very robust project management tool, really good options for construction teams and for service systems. But what it does not have is much to do with inventory options, and if you are a manufacturer. So this leads us to one of the reasons why it might not be a good idea for you to switch into an enterprise suite at this time. Now, if you're somebody who is comfortably using QuickBooks Enterprise and using the built-in inventory management options in there, this would not be a good option for you to switch to. Now, if you are somebody who is using an external inventory management software with your QuickBooks, maybe into an enterprise suite, something you would look at, maybe that third party inventory app is available with Intuit Enterprise Suite. When switching to a new system, a new offering like this, you really want to do a deep dive and to make sure it is going to be correct for you. There are many different things that make Intuit Enterprise Suite great. There are also many things that it is lacking that QuickBooks Enterprise still excels in. If you're interested in learning more about any of these third-party apps that connect in to bring more functionality into an Enterprise Suite, please reach out to us here at Certum Solutions via the link below. Schedule some time to meet with our team for a free consultation to go over your needs, and we can see how we can help you out. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. We're constantly bringing new videos out, and we hope that this has been helpful for you. Thanks. This has been Sam with Certum Solutions.